We've noticed a direct relationship between levels of financial literacy and business success with our clients. That's because business leaders are empowered to make better business decisions by understanding their financial information and being able to then make some good logical decisions off the back of that. So we've developed a one-day workshop around increasing your financial literacy. In this workshop, you'll walk through your profit and loss statement. We will teach you each of the areas within that statement. We'll also review your expenses and understand if there are any that should be classified as cost of sales to ensure that you're reporting and looking at a true gross margin for your business, which in turn leads to better pricing strategy and pricing decisions. We'll also show you why you need at least 3 types of profit and loss in this workshop as well to run your business effectively. Beyond the profit and loss, it's really important business owners engage with their balance sheet. It's a really important financial statement to understand and check regularly. If there is something wrong in your balance sheet, there's a good chance there might be something wrong in your profit and loss as well. The balance sheet also allows business leaders to understand cash flow. To get the relationship between profit and cash flow, you need to be able to understand your balance sheet, as this will tell you exactly where your profit has been spent. We'd love to see you along at our next workshop. If you can make it, it would be great to see you there.